The lockdown got me so boring, so today I'm turning my Mazda UTE into a pool. What I did was just adding water to the back of the truck, but to not let any water escape, I used a canvas on it. After the water was filled, I grabbed my drinks and snacks, and lastly, I answered all the Q&As for my 700 subscriber hits. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's get started. What is up everyone, welcome back to today's video. As you can see in the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to turn this car into a pool. So to make this car to a pool is actually very simple. All we need to do is add in water, but in order to not let the water come out from the car, we need something to surround it, which I picked canvas. So now we're gonna cover all the truck here with the canvas, so let's proceed. So all you need to do is you put your canvas on it, and then you have to push down every edge of this, this, and here. All you just push it down, and so it creates something like a square. So now the next step is we're gonna take the water and fill it up, and let's see what happens. Wait. So I just gonna wait for it to be filled, and we can go up. Yo guys, all you need to do is just sit down and wait for the water to fill up this whole truck. Hey Mickey, you wanna join us? And also today's video, I'm gonna swim here, and it is actually just celebrating my 700 subscriber. Thank you so much every one of you, and I'm gonna do some Q&A with you guys. I'm gonna answer later, and we can have some chit chat and chilling down this truck, because the pandemic, the COVID-19 lockdown got me so boring. So it's the best time to chill and enjoy your life, because you might get COVID anytime. So think about enjoying life. Meanwhile, waiting this thing to get filled, I think I'm gonna get myself some drinks and also some snacks. So I just got my water and also my snacks. This is some picnics. I'm gonna try my butt. The water is so cold right now. Oh my god, oh my god, the water is so cold. The water is so cold, guys. I got my foot here. Oh, it's cold. It's really cold, but it's nice to enjoy the view. It's very cold, but I'm sitting here. This is the craziest thing I ever did before, because I just suddenly think of want to swim in my car, and I felt bored, and I did some research on how, and they said use a canvas to just cover it up like that. So I tried and it worked. This might help if some of you who have the 4-wheel drive, Hilux or any double cabs car in your house. You can try to do this with your family together. Sitting down here, this is so nice. This is the one of the best thing I ever done in my life. It's kind of relaxed. I have my drinks. I love my life. I hope you guys stay with me and just chill, okay? Life is short, and you gotta chill, because live every day like it's your last day. So you know how to appreciate life and be grateful, be happy always. And yep, just like that. I'm gonna have some fun now, and after that I will do a Q&A, okay? The water is so cold. It's wet and very cold. Alright guys, I think I have enough fun, and it's time for the Q&A, okay? So let's go to the first question, and first question is, will your KB30 have an engine swap? Okay, for the KB30, I actually didn't plan to do any engine swap yet, because last time, as you know, that my KB30 is a 4AG from the A86. You can visit this video and you'll know exactly what is the story if you don't know yet. When I have the car, it brings me a lot of problems, because the engine bay is pretty pretty small and they fit a 4AG inside it. It is totally not suit the car because there is a spacing problem, a lot of wiring problems. For the new KB30 right now, it is original standard engine. I'm not planning to do any engine swap or any heavy modification. I just want it to be very reliable and very drivable. I can drive it daily, and the most important part is I'm gonna put Aircon one day so that I can drive it daily, and I care about the looks of the car, not the engine of the car. I'm gonna paint it blue, use back the same wheels, everything is same like my KB30 4AG, but the engine I'm not going to swap it. I don't know future, but for now I really don't want to swap the engine. It creates a lot of problem and it costs a lot of money. That is the point. And let's go to the second question. Do some live vlogs or cook? Okay, for this question, it's not some question, but someone just asked me to do this kind of thing. Okay, for live vlog, I'm gonna ask about you guys. Do you guys like if I do any live vlogs other than my car vlogs? Because my channel content is all about cars. Actually, I'm afraid when I do some live vlog, nobody is interested to it, so I never did a live vlogs. But if you guys like to see live vlogs, please comment below, let me know so that I can try to do a live vlog because I never do it before. So you can just comment below if you have any comment. Okay, that's for my question. Cook. Yeah, cook. Live vlog and cook is kind of same thing. So now let's go to the next question. Favorite engine. I don't know what you mean by favorite engine. Is it like dream engine or the favorite engine that I ever used before? So my favorite engine that I ever used before is actually a 4AG because I really used it before and it's very powerful. I don't know if it fit on another car, it is still powerful, but in my KB30 it is quite a lot of power that time because my car is weight about 300 kilograms. It's very light and the engine push the car very hard and it still slips on the third gear. Imagine how fast is that. Okay, so for the dream engine, I guess it will be a 13B rotary because I have a lot of Mazda and I really want a rotary engine. But I think for the rotary builds, I will not heavily modify it. I will just use some single turbo running low boost so I can drive it daily and also do some pull sometimes. So that's it's my favorite engine I ever used and also my favorite engine, my dream engine. Okay, last two questions is actually not a question but from my friend. Congrats brother, 300 more to 1k. Thank you so much. Okay, so about this one I want to talk a bit. Thank you so much for all your support. I'm speechless. I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I was about 40 subscribers and I just keep on doing it, and along the way there is actually a lot of people like, are you crazy? Why are you starting your YouTube channel? You want to be big? No, it's not going to happen. Some people, you know, when you want to do something, there is always these people. They are telling you that you can't do it, you can't achieve anything. I don't even listen to all these things and I believe in myself that I will hit 1000 one day. So I just keep doing it. I just keep doing it. That time I was just like 40 subscribers and I just keep doing it until I hit 100. I was so happy. I still remember the moment when I hit 100, 150, 300, 400, 500, 600 and now it is 700. I'm so happy and grateful that when you trust yourself, things actually happen. I just can't believe that the secret is actually just trusting yourself. You know, a lot of people asking me why do I start my YouTube channel, and I know a lot of you think that I start this for making money or anything, but let me tell you something. Why am I starting my YouTube channel? First of all, I'm inspired by Randy Truong from Eliminate. He's a guy, you know, a lot of big YouTubers make a lot of money like PewDiePie, those big YouTuber, those gamer, but have you realized that all their YouTube videos is about life, about gaming, and none of them are doing about car vlogs? And Adam LZ and Eliminate, they both inspire me a lot because I think they are success YouTubers for car YouTubers because I see them grow from zero. So before I start my YouTube channel, if you know me from my secondary school, my dad have a lot of old cars, a lot of Japanese old cars. We used to build all the old cars without filming it into a content. So what I'm doing right now is actually what I'm doing back then. You see me fixing the wheel, fixing the engine, fixing the everything, the interior. It is actually what I'm doing back then. But now I'm just holding a camera and recording all the stuff that I ever did last time. I feel like kind of waste if I did a lot of build to my cars and I didn't record it or didn't snap any picture of it. I just feel like all those videos I upload in my YouTube, it's not only for people to come and see, but also some memory for myself. Like one day if I look back to those videos, I can see how my car is going from 0 to something. Like I can see the memories and everything from my old YouTube videos. So that is one of my reasons. And the second reason is I kind of want to give some knowledge in all my videos, some knowledge about cars, and I want to make some joy so that people can enjoy my video. My goal is actually just make people happy and also, you know, learn something from my video. And also I want to spread this old school car enthusiast feeling to everyone around the world. It is kinda, you know, satisfied to build all this car. Like you watch the car from a rusty metal into something gold, just like my Capitary right now. You guys can visit this video and watch how bad it is, and one day remember I came from that way and my car has become something. Yeah, I can't talk all about why I start my YouTube. So let's proceed to the last question. Jom, let's go exercise more after MCO. Okay, so this is my friend. Now it's actually a lockdown in my state. We call it MCO. So there is no way for me to go out from this house, and you know, I just don't want to take the risk to go out. But after the lockdown, maybe I can go out and hang out with my friend. And yeah, I think that is all for my Q&As. Before I end this video, I want to say thank you so much for each and everyone's support. I just kind of touched and I don't know what to say, because I grow this channel from 40 subscribers until today it was like 700 subscribers. It is such I don't know how to react to this. I just feel like I don't deserve it sometimes. And I'm so sorry that I can't do a giveaway right now because it is a lockdown in my state. I can't go out and ship my shirt, my t-shirt. So I think I will do the giveaway when it is okay in my state, the pandemic, the lockdown and everything. So I think that's all for today, and this is how you can make your car into a pool. Everyone can do this. If you have a truck in your house, just it's cold, you can have fun with this. The water is getting colder. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you like today's video, please give a thumbs up and also share this video out. So I want to say thank you so much. The water is so cold. See you guys on my next video.